right now it's 8:30 in the morning. We are on our way to get the train from Hong Kong to Guangzhou. Change of location. Yesterday I didn't vlog because we were traveling from Shanghai to Hong Kong and then we arrived late in Hong Kong, so nothing to say, nothing to see. We are in Guangzhou. It's 37 degrees, currently melting. Just checked in at the hotel. We're on a mission for food. They gave us we're drinking tea, so even if the weather is hot, you have to drink warm tea. We just left the restaurant. I have to say it's pretty hard to find some food because everything is like pork or duck. It's currently, I don't know how many degrees, but I'm melting. Thankfully, I got my peach water. You know what? I'm a skinny legend. I'm a pass by all of them. Mission completed. I've been trying to take pictures, but the camera's not focusing. So you know what? We're just not taking pictures. I'm under the water. Please help me. Going to Hey everything's alright. Taste test. The straw is like this. Taste milk? No. More like a liquidy frozen yogurt. That's very specific. Yeah. Want to taste it? China. You and I need to have a discussion. Wait, focus. I just had the most traumatic experience of my life. Maybe I'm a little dramatic. No, cause girl, no, when I entered that bathroom, it was full of shit. Yeah. It's not the squatting that was a problem, it's the cleanliness of everything. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. That was just me complaining.
Thank you for telling us your story.
Coming here to tell my truth, like my part of the story. Breaking my silence. Oh my god, that's gonna be the thumbnail of the vlog. Breaking my silence.
And you have to put a picture of you sitting in the chair like Sika, you know.
Yo! Officially day 2 in Guangzhou. It's 44 degrees. No, but like honestly it's fine. You can just feel the humidity, but it's not like I'm dying. Oh fuck, I forgot my bottle of water. We're gonna go to, let me check, Dongchangku area. À ce qui c'est comme le marais, je sais pas, on verra. But yeah, it's supposed to be like for young people into fashion, so we'll see about that. I don't know what it says. I'm gonna read it first before I buy sparkling water. Natural mineral water, but it says south direction. When I drink, I only need to go to the south. Basically, you can rent digicams. That's insane. Hello. Hi, sisters. After being in Dongchangku, we went for late lunch, like I think it was about like 4 p.m. and then we went to the phone and electronic like market. I didn't vlog much there because my camera was dying. But yeah, like everyone was like talking to us and was saying like Ni hao, sisters. So I thought it was like really cute and really funny. Even like the Didi driver now, he was like, bye sisters, and I was like,
We're sisters now.
we're sisters now. Snack break. I don't know what it is, but it looks cute. There's like filling inside. Small one. Maybe it's made of sakura. Like that's why the pink filling. I don't know. Update on the camera. There was not that many options for me. I am someone very specific. I know that. I knew what I wanted and I'm not gonna settle. The music. Yes. Hello? Literally say vegans. Yay. It's closed. It's closed. Fuck. Chat. 10. And I finally found some food. Now y'all need to be straight. I might not be, but y'all need to be. Ooh, who said that? And I just find a food life is worth living. Listen, my angles, they be so fucking random. It's nighttime, and I'm just by myself. It's just that moment of realization and reflect about life. That's just insane. Like, I'm on the other side of the world right now. And on the other side of the world, there is people who live completely different as me. But we just have the same stress of society. But we live completely different. Different values, different lifestyles. It's just insane.
Die on the stairs.
So, back to the hotel. So we went to 7-Eleven. We got some snacks, and this is an unboxing of the snacks. Water. Also got garlic shrimps. Oh, look at my power bank. I can just put it like this. We went to the kitchen of the hotel to ask for a spoon because I wasn't sure, and I was not gonna come back to the lobby to ask it, okay? So I was just like making sure to get one just in case. Now we know. Everything they do in China is efficient anyways. So anyways, I'm going to enjoy my ice cream, shower, doom scroll on TikTok probably for an hour or two. Good morning. Day 3 and last day in Guangzhou. So we're trying out that vegan restaurant that was closed yesterday. The Red Bull is not sparkling. Ma foi.